Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, it was a short night for Jamaicans Ian Impact Darby and Jermaine Breezy Richards as their respective fights failed to get out of the first round as the fourth stop of the Wray Nephew Fight Night series concluded on Saturday in downtown Kingston. Army man Ian Impact Darby failed to break a sweat as his cruiserweight fight with Mesa Commonfall Brown lasted only 1 minute and 45 seconds as the 33-year-old wrapped up his second win in a row at Breezy Castle on Saturday. Darby, who had a change of opponent at last minute, did not get out of first gear before the referee intervened when his opponent offered no defense after being pinned in the corner.
As a professional boxer, it is all in the game. All you have to do is to readjust. And as a soldier, we are trained to readjust. Whatever the target is, if the target switch from one end to another, all we do is switch and position for fire. And unfortunately, Brown was in the position, so we had to fire. I'm sorry.
My father look disappointed because I never want to fight stop yet. I know how him fight, me and him fight about six times already. So I just not want to come in close, can expect me to stay far. But I allow him, when I want to stop, I watch him come on, give him an uppercut and finish the fight. But he win, he get the better and better to boxer. I have nothing more to say.
Meanwhile, Jermaine Breezy Richards improved his professional ring record to 5-0 following his first round knockout win over Colombian Francisco Cordero in their heavyweight matchup. Much was expected of the Colombian, who came into the contest with over 40 professional fights under his belt. However, the contest ended quicker than the readout of the tail of the tape as Richards' power and precision brought his opponent to his knees.
This fight was easy, as you can see, first round knockout. Good work. More work in the gym and just depending on the team to advance the thing and make it work.
Despite the combined 3 minutes of the two professional bouts, fans were treated to a great night of boxing by the amateur fighters. In the opening fight, Kemoy Barrett suffered an unfortunate injury, having dominated his fight with Sanjay Hudson, who was awarded the win. There were 3 unanimous decision wins on the night. First, Delana McLaughlin of the JDF outboxed Kirk Heron, with the judges declaring the Army man the winner. Gervin Garrison also scored a unanimous decision win over Mark Cunningham to record a victory on his light heavyweight debut. The final amateur fight saw Kevin McKenzie, who lost his previous fight, ticking off win number 2 of his career as he got the better of Chevon Gordon. The next stop in the Fight Night series will be in February.